There's a lot to learn in the new environment of 3D Experience, so let me show you some helpful resources, starting with the Welcome app. Now you may see the Welcome app on a dashboard that you are greeted with right away. If you don't, pick any dashboard and add a new tab to it. Let's add something just called Welcome. And under the compass, you can access all of your apps. I'm just going to search for the Welcome app, and I'll drag and drop that app onto my dashboard tab, and I can also choose to fit this basically full screen to my tab. Now the Welcome app has the stuff you're going to need on day one, like how to install the local software like SolidWorks, how to access the bookmarks editor, and it's got some really great links as well. The first one I want to show you is the SolidWorks News and Info forum page. If you click right here in SolidWorks News and Info, it's going to take you to a page that looks similar to the SolidWorks forum. This is powered in a public 3D experience using the 3D Swim app. Now I'm looking at the SolidWorks News and Info channel, and the best advice I have for you is to go to the top right-hand corner and choose to filter to wiki pages. Wiki pages are pages that are kind of stuck in place, so they won't just scroll by and get lost, and they're the most important information from the folks who run this community. Start here underneath 3D Experience Works resources, where you're going to find a Getting Started guide and SolidPractices. If I click on the Getting Started guide, it becomes full screen, and it gives you kind of a workflow navigation. If you're an admin, you can click to continue, or a user, click to continue, or use the tree on the left to see different items in the workflow, such as how to navigate your interface with nice time-stamped videos. After you've been through there, take a look at the SolidPractices. These are PDFs produced by SolidWorks Corporate that give you the best practices for doing things like storing your SolidWorks templates or simply moving your data into the 3D Experience platform. It's really a fundamental, really important document to start with. You also see on the Welcome app the SolidWorks user forum, and this takes you to, again, the public 3D Swim app, and you'll find the SolidWorks user forum right next to News and Info, so you can ask questions and access the same community that's been around for decades. If you're a simulation user, you may have purchased a learning app. You can search for this under the compass as well if you have the learner role, and this is where you can find a 3D Learn app that gives you access to a huge database of Dassault Systems learning content. This is particularly useful for those of you who are using the high-end simulation tools on the 3D Experience platform. Of course, if you're an MLC customer, you're probably taking advantage of one of our success plans. If you're on an elite success plan, you might have some Ask an Expert sessions in the bank. These 2-hour sessions with myself or someone on my team can absolutely be used to quick start and jumpstart your learning with 3D Experience. If you're looking for a bigger implementation, something where we map attributes, work with a workflow, do some higher level manage and data management of your files, consider an onboarding service with MLC. Of course, you can find links to all this through our website where we host training, our services, our success plans, even a technical guides and knowledge base, and of course, one of the places to start a tech support request with us. And of course, we host a YouTube page as well with the name MLC CAD Systems that has great self-paced learning content for 3D Experience. We're here to help, so please reach out to us.